Ready to take your mobile gaming to the next level? What if you could boost performance, sharpen graphics, and control how your phone handles every game, all in one tap? Samsung has just made that possible with the Game Booster Plus plugin, now officially available to everyone using One UI 7. After launching quietly in South Korea a few months ago, it's now rolling out globally through the Galaxy Store. This powerful tool is part of Samsung's Good Lock suite, designed to help you customize and improve your Galaxy experience. With Game Booster Plus, you can tweak your gaming settings for smoother frame rates, better visuals, and an overall upgraded experience, whether you're just playing for fun or going all in competitively. The current version is 1.00.00.22 and only takes up 7.5 megabytes. It's available in countries like India and should work in most regions where Good Lock is supported. Keep in mind, it's only compatible with devices running Android 15 and One UI 7. So if you're serious about mobile gaming, Game Booster Plus is a must-have. Head to the Galaxy Store and give your games that extra edge.